Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be reacting to another tenor Adele video. This is another requested reaction. This is her song Buckle Bunny, Barnyard session. Can't speak. Barnyard session, and yeah, I guess it's a live performance. So yeah, let's get into it, and please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below.
I'm at the mini mart in a mini skirt, about to steal your man in a
Okay,
torn up t-shirt.
maybe it's not live.
This ain't the Hamptons. We all got tramp stamps, acrylic covered in barbecue at the line dance. Cast up, throw me in a saddle, spin me like a spur, make my snake skin rattle. Sassed up, round 'em like cattle, looking like Beyonce with a lasso.
Uh-oh. Shout out to Beyonce.
Maple stirrups, banana pudding, where the Wrangler put it, sterling silver. Now give me more. Watch the buckle hit the floor. A Porsche for me, he blowing a bag. BB on a custom tag, hot pink on pink is red. BB on teeth, he snapped. Let him spoil me, boy, no, I'm a cheapskate. To the factory, buy me a cheesecake. If you buy me cheesecake, I'ma holler. Big boy, big blue collar. Well, I could buy it on myself anyway. Pan game, cash, Hemingway, but I like my luckies thrifted. Casey's thrifted, buckle thrifted.
She also raps too. Oh, a beat switch up with the banjo. The microphone's about to swing away. The way she ran in and then runs away. Okay, so this has a lot of country influence, especially because she's a country artist, and it just has some hip-hop beats on it sprinkled on top. But yeah, it's not like typical country music that you would typically think of as country music, but I consider it country music because it has the flavor of country music with hip-hop beats sprinkled on top, as I said before. So like, do they not play this on country radio? I'm not sure. Like Old Town Road, that was a similar country beat, country song with hip-hop beats, I guess. So I'm confused because country music, what is the definition of country music? Like, it can have the country flavor and like switch up the beat a little bit, and it's still country, but I guess they figure country music is depending who sings the song, but that doesn't make sense, because if that was the case, wouldn't Taylor Swift still be a country artist? Because she started out country, right? And then she switched to pop. So I don't know. For the past few years, Taylor Swift has been making like pop songs, And so if she made a country song, would she be welcome back? Probably. But yeah, I guess, I don't know. It depends on the singer or the song. Like, which one? You can't have both. Um, like, pick one. It's either the song sounds country, and it doesn't matter who's singing it, or it depends on the singer, which is probably what I feel like is happening these days. So that's why Beyonce made her album, and like trying to bring these girls to the spotlight in the country world. But that is a topic for another video. But yeah, I like the song, and I like her voice. She sings, she raps, and yeah, she seems to have a nice, fun personality based on how she was acting in this video. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what else I should react to in the comments below. And if you want to see my experiences in Korea, you can check out my first channel, SEKSHI. And if you want to see my other socials, it's right here under my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.